Yes, my people. So, Joe go and get catch. My gosh. So, it look like so the man must come home. And when he come home, he can see this man in yard. So, he want to know what the man a do in yard. The man say chicken in can feed. How you feel left for your yard, go man yard go feed chicken? Me mama. The woman say chicken the man can feed. So, me have chicken in my yard. And somebody else left and feed them yard can feed my chicken. But me understand what the woman I say. When she saying come feed chicken. And I really feed chicken in the yard, you know. I fear chicken, the man come make sure so this chicken get water and everything. Lord of his mercy. Then she can ask, when though? He asks the man what his name. The man say his name is a king. The man a king for sure. The man are the king in the yard. Because when you know about the man are the king. So that's what I don't even know if the man right now, but also see the man say his name is a king. But the guiltiness come up in right now when the woman said to him, say, when last him gear nothing. You see me I say? When last him gear nothing. That was her excuse, you know. In other words, it's like she said, yes, and him a give you a bun because you not give me nothing. Now, ladies, if you're there with a man, and the man not help you and the man not give you nothing, instead of you stay with that man and keep on next man and cheat or what you call it, but you left him man, because the man not give you nothing. Just tell the man, say, you know what? He come to an end, so make we call it a day, because you not give me nothing. And me have people out there where me can get something from. Instead of when the man back turn, man a come in and you go. It better if she go at the man yard, no? Maybe a fair place still. Who knows? But even if a fair place, that man where she a give bun with, he no must have something for himself. If he not know for himself, me no see sense she a there with him neither. If he not know for himself. You understand? And the poor man, Mr. King, he look like he hand bandage up. I know if in the act, he get damage. In the act, you see his hand bandage up and something. I don't know. And the man can't answer. The man make himself look guilty too. Kind of answer. You understand what I say? The man does walk and silent like a lamb. So in the most guiltiness, no must show up on him. That's all. You understand? But I saw you go for the man where I get a bun, then say if you can't take the heat in the kitchen, come out, man. So in your case, if your woman give you a bun because you not get nothing, leave her or make she leave you or something. For peace sake. Or make she go to the man where she get something from. Then, if that's it. If I did me like him and she say, me not get nothing, me say, alright then. Either you pack up or me pack up. That man that get something, go to him. I say you for there because you get something, so go over there. And make me stay here so then I make me left. Because you understand what I said though? What is a total madness. Anyway, rubbish in there still. The skip supposed to come here maybe about Monday. I'm tired of sitting there rubbish. I can't see me yard no more than so, you know. So I am tired of seeing those rubbish. So I have to get rid of them. Yeah, so Mr. King, I give the man burn. Joe Grine in action. Kiss me mama. You know what the next thing I want to say? People, sometimes, you ever ask yourself this question yet, why sometimes, oh you can't keep money, or money can't stay with you? You ever ask yourself that question? But it's for a reason. Sometimes when you see you get money or you make money and you say you have to use it to something, as long as you use it to something constructive and positive, it's for a reason. And do you know the reason why? Sometimes God make you have enough money, you know, because your heart is so kind and so good to people that if you have money, you'd have give. Or some people who don't deserve your money, you'd have take up your money and give. People who don't deserve it. Yeah? So God say, you know, I give you enough way. as you get it, you got something to do with it. Because if you're not to do with it, this is one I'll call and you serve people and give them, and then everybody you have to give your money. You understand? But until you learn that lesson and realize, when you realize, say, as so you go, you go start have money. At enough time you go have money and people go asking you now, give them your 10 say no, you don't have it. Or you have it, but you can't depart panic because you go use it to do something. Because not everybody you have to take up your money and give. Some people do not deserve it. That's why God make sometimes you don't have none. He make you have enough where he can run you and run for you like a family, but not enough where you can give it to people. Because some people do not deserve it. So when you see these things happen sometimes and you question yourself, these are some of the reasons why. So yeah, see me sit down underneath me. What is sitting your name? And I guess see, but what I want to name now? This big umbrella sitting here. Where Miss B buys for my birthday, you know. See the ball Bluetooth there? Can't play me turn on Bluetooth, you know. So I sit down and just connect my phone to it and I listen to my radio, listen to my music or listen whatever. Yes, Miss B said, you know how you work hard. And you have your hammock. So I get you this, so when you work and feel tired, you just put your hammock underneath it. Turn on your radio and you sleep and get your rest. That's very nice of her, isn't it? Be thoughtful. So you can see so she really look after me, you know. Apart from give me food to eat, she make sure so I get rest too. Because you see the amount of work when I have to do more time. Work, on top of work, on top of work. Jaja, it never ends. It never ends, man. Yeah, I tell you. But one day, something are pretty easy. Wicked. That box are wicked, you know. Box, wicked people. It's bad. Tough, innit? I want to know something make a boxer too, you know. Yeah, man. And people, if I give the history, but you see all them flowers that we're seeing there? We just see them spring up in the yard, you know, people. Whether you believe it is or not, you know. We just see these flowers spring up everywhere. And I take them and plant them, and the more I plant them, I come like I more them and spread them flowers here, and I not buy them. And at the yard, I see them spring up. I say, if a bird, boy, I mean, I know. It's a garden come like a miracle. See them here, so I plant them all about. They may want to take out, you know, and thing. But then they're everywhere, man. Then they spring up and they look like, boy, the whole place so infested with them. And see them away, so I plant them everywhere. Can me just find them. I run up front, me have some. So I don't know what kind of magic garden this a garden here. But it's good. Not everybody have a magic garden, but me have one. Give thanks and praise unto the Most High. And then sit there and take up and everywhere you're looking at this place, you're sitting. You say when you have work and you move things and you do things, it's just like that. But the garden look good still. The garden is looking wonderful. It'll come up. The grass it will cut, but the rain come down, so maybe I have to put that on pause. But everything will look good, man. Everything is looking beautiful. Perfect. That's how I love it. That's how I like it. But see big rubber sheep there. Skip soon come, man. Skip soon forward, you know. See it there? Big things are going. So I plant up some things, you know. Yeah, man. Onion there. Enough onion like whole heap. I have potato over there, so I'll come up. Them place if you plant some things in them. Strawberry, I come up there. So the little farmer come up in a time like dirt, man. Your time like time. All heap of time to cook and season up meat. Some of them kind of get knocked out if I move them, you know. But me have time enough here. What time? Time everywhere. Time. Yeah, my strawberry them have come up. You want to say that strawberry here? See strawberry have come up on it already there. Yep. It a go on. Oh, what you say now? Plant up my pumpkin them and something there already there. Yeah, pumpkin I run. Yeah. We have some callaloo and things to plant up. But we have a whole heap of work with the people. If I book out sometime I have work next week, people catch up. Pumpkin there and things will come up. Yeah, man. So things will look up, you know. Things will look up. In spite of what I go on, things will look up. Me have a lot to do, but things will look up. I didn't want to show in another place there, you know, because, boy, there's a disaster. Yes, I see my umbrella thing that Miss B buy for me. My birthday treat that, you know. You can relax in my garden and see it. So swing and thing, yeah. So I said to them, I said, oh, I buy this my birthday. You buy for my birthday for all the way. Because me notice when they're ready, then come out and then drink then coffee and then tea and then they think, oh, this is nice. So they might enjoy it more than me see her face. Me say she just a look a little while, you know. Anyway, people, big up on yourself. We keep on up to date. The kitchen in progress. And we soon take a next step. We take a few steps, but not the major. So we do a next major step next week, and so when we start paint and plaster everything and done, then we put it up on it. Yeah. Anyway, big up on yourself. Have a blessed weekend. We gone.